100 years since the canonical coronation of the image of Our Lady of Peña Francia, and our devotion continues to run strong. The biggest and most awaited Marian celebration is here once again. Join us as we celebrate the Peña Francia Festival 2024. September 7, CTP, MAPE, DRRM, and DBC, DLC Majorettes Exhibition. September 11, Miss Bicolandia 2024, Coronation Night. September 13, Peña Francia, Traslacion Procession. September 14, Second Bicol Regional CTP, MAPE, DRRM, Parade Competition. September 15, Regional Majorettes, DBC, and Band Exhibition. September 15 to 21, Tagboan Food, Arts and Music Festival. September 18, Scouts Parade and DXMC Competition. September 18, Second Inter-School Mass Dance Competition. September 19, Civic and Float Parade. September 19, Peña Francia Voyadores Festival Street and Pilgrims Dance Competition. September 20, Bicol Regional Military Parade. September 20, 100th Anniversary of the Canonical Coronation of Our Lady of Peña Francia. September 20, Procesión Triunfal para la Reina Celestial de Coronada. September 21, Peña Francia Fluvial Procession. For the complete list of Peña Francia Festival civic and religious events, visit the Naga City Government and Mayor Son Legacion page. The Peña Francia Festival civic events is presented by the City Government of Naga, headed by Attorney Son Legacion and Vice Mayor Nene Diasis. The Peña Francia Festival civic events is presented by the City Government of Naga, headed by Attorney Son Legacion and Vice Mayor Nene Diasis, in partnership with our diamond sponsor, Robinson's Naga, URC Flour, DLTB Company, Gold Sponsors, Triton Paints, South Star Drug, Fieldworks Construction, Umar Residences, Coca-Cola Beverages Philippines Incorporated, Dito Telecommunity, Moore State Company Incorporated, Moraville Hotels and Moraville The Garden, Caramel Bake Shop, Tours, Peña Francia Tours, Patron, Palawan Pawn Shop, and Palawan Express Pera Padala, Town Gas, PLDT, Dermise, Bunair Marketing, Vista Mall Naga, Century Pacific Foods Incorporated, Bigfoot Construction, Landers, and TGP Party List.
Please be seated. Please welcome our host, the host extraordinaire, Mr. Felix Nayel.
Diyos Marhay na Banggi, Naga City! Good evening, Bicolandia! Welcome to Robinson's Place, Naga, the official venue for the festival costume, preliminary swimwear, and the evening gown fashion show of our ladies. My name is host Felix Nayel, tagged as the host extraordinaire, and you are watching the preliminary competition of Miss Bicolandia 2024. Indeed, Miss Bicolandia is the longest running, the largest, and the most prestigious beauty pageant, not only in the Camsur, but in the entire region. And I must definitely say that Miss Bicolandia has produced a lot of big names in the pageantry world. Namely, we have Miss Venus Ra, Miss Universe Fourth Runner-Up 2010. We also have the late Melody Gersbach, who represented the Philippines at the Miss International stage in 2010. And we also have Miss Yvette Marie Santiago, who represented the country in Poland at the Miss Supranational in 2014. And with that being said, I am definitely sure that the whole country, the whole Philippines is watching us tonight as we unveil the newest queens of Bicolandia. And with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Bicolandia is truly one of the most sought after pageants in the Philippines. And to officially start our ball rolling, may we call on the City Councilor Jose Joe Perez, the co-chairman of the Executive Committee of Miss Bicolandia 2024, for the opening remarks.
Thank you, Felix. Our Miss Bicolandia of Sangguniang Panlunsod, Presiding Officer and Vice Mayor, Nene Diasis. Our First Lady, Attorney Marion Ligacion. My dear colleagues in the Sangguniang Panlunsod, Councilor Buddy Del Castillo, Councilor Gail Abunal Gomez, Councilor Jesse Albios, and Councilor Dodit Beltran. Mayong quorum. And our chairman of the Miss Bicolandia Executive Committee, our beloved Councilor Doc Sani Ranyola. My fellow executive members of the Miss Bicolandia Committee, Ais Badong, Attorney Jet Vergara, Mr. Don Xia, Mr. Ruel Oliver, and Mr. Toti Rocha, who is not with us tonight because he is preparing himself for the bar exams. Our distinguished guests and members of the Board of Judges, guests sa Indo po Gabos, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Tonight marks one of the most exciting episodes of the search for this year's Miss Bicolandia. A journey that will lead us to a grand and prestigious coronation night. On Wednesday, September 11, at the JMR Coliseum, we will finally crown the most beautiful maiden in this part of the country. The suspense is heating up. and the stage is set for a celebration of grace, beauty, and culture as we honor the pride of our region. This is what Miss Bicolandia truly embodies, not just beauty and intelligence, but the care